Fractions, decimal and percentages. First we do the equivalent fractions. This 3/4 is the same as 18 divided by 24 because we multiplied the top number by 6 and the bottom number by 6, so it doesn't change the fraction, it's exactly the same amount. So whatever we do on the top, we have to do the same thing on the bottom, or whatever we do on the bottom, we do the same thing on the top. So if you look at question A here, when we go from 5 to 20, we're multiplying the number 5 by 4. So we have to do the same thing on the top, multiply this number 2 by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. Similarly here, it's 3 times 5. Give you 15, so you do 3, same thing. 7 times 5 is 35. Now 5 times 7 is 35. So do the same thing here. 8 times 7 is 56. Now we're going to do the opposite, cancelling down. So we can divide the top and bottom by the same number. We do the same thing again. Do it again. This time we have to do divide by 3. So we get 2/3. Or we could have done in one go, 24 divided by 36. You can divide the top and bottom by 12. That's the highest common factor between them. So that's 2 and this is 3. The highest common factor of 21 and 28 is 7. So you divide the top and bottom by 7. So that's 3/4. And when you add or subtract fractions, your denominator has to be the same. So the lowest common denominator, so LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So we write the first fraction out of 20 and the second fraction out of 20. We multiplying this one by 4 and multiplying this number by 5. Doing the same thing on the top. So we get 16 and we get 5. Then we write 16 minus 5 because the same denominator. So the answer is 11 divided by 20. Here the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we have to change both fractions out of 12, timing by 4 and timing by 3. Same thing on the top. So that's 16, that's 3. So this is 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. Then we write 8 minus 3 over 12. So it's 5 divided by 12. Times by 2 times by 2. So we get 11 over 10. This is improper fraction. Change it to mixed numbers. 10 go into 11 once, remainder 1, and you divide it by 10. Similarly, like 5 divided by 2, 2 going to 5 twice, remainder is 1, then you divide that 1 by 2. This is easy. Multiply the top number with the top, bottom number with the bottom, then cancel it down. So 4 divided by 5. Or you can cancel it there. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 25 divided by 48. 50% of 340, that's just half of it. So 3, 4, 0 divided by 2. Go once, the remainder is 1. 2 go to 14 7 times, the remainder is 0. 0, 2 into 0, 0 times, so that answer is 170. First find 10%, 5%, which is half of 10%, then you add, so the answer is £33. So when you're doing 10% of anything, you just move one decimal place to the left, so that's equal to 34.5. Now 28 out of 40, you have to change to percentage. Percentage means out of 100. So we can write this again. So if you've done the test twice, you will get out of 80. Then imagine half of it, which will be out of 20. Half of 28 is 14. Then, so this will give you the fraction out of 100. So the top part, 56 plus 14 is 70. So when the fraction is out of 100, that means percentage. So this is a non-calculator method. If you do 32 out of 80, then we need 20, so we can say quarter of that is 8. So that means 40 out of the total 100, so this is 40%. Percentage increase, so increase £210 by 10%. So all you do, find 10%, which is £21. Yeah. Then increase the amount is the original 210 plus 21, that's 231. If you want to decrease £300 by 10%, so find 10% of 300. This time you have to take it away. That's 270. percentage profit the formula is profit divided by the cost, then you times by 100. This is a calculator method.